Hello viewers, we will discuss about one new project which name is Digital. Digital is one of the best project in 2021. An experienced team of professionals in constantly working on the development of the project. This project deserves the attention of people from all over the world. It's an impressive and very prospective project. First of all, we will discuss home, which things are entering home, and we will discuss in home. And the second one is objectives. We will discuss this project objectives, and third one is products, and the fourth one is how to buy digital token easily, how to buy the digital token and token details, which tokens and which the address of the token number DTM and the roadmap of this project, the people behind, and contact us, and the pre-sale page. We will discuss about all about of this on these things. The digital is a very strong project. I believe that this is one of the fantastic project to grasp the community attention with its strength, innovation, simplicity, and abilities to be a part of this project. Do not miss the great opportunity. This is a white paper and audit report, and the pre-sale end in 6 days, 31 minutes and 08 seconds. Go to pre-sale page to easily buy this project. Scroll down, we will show the digital application. Digital application is a very good application, and this digital futures. Digital future is that you will we give a cryptocurrency. We will easily to buy and sell the crypto in this app. It is a very good app. In soon is launch in our Android, easily download in our Android app. A good concept for the project, great future, and good team. It will bring a new revolution. It is a very good project in 2021. We will show the guaranteed and payment secure, everyone mentioned in their futures in the app in there. Simple and safe storage of your one. The digital project, very good project. He every opportunity for him in every good. I really like this project. On the recommendation of a friend, I decided to join this project in my opinion. So we will scroll down. This is a digital application. Will show there the digital application and how to buy and the digital, how we will set up digital on Trust Wallet to easily buy and digital on the Trust Wallet, and the MetaMask we will click there to easily join the MetaMask and easily buy digital on through MetaMask. This is the digital main thing of the buy a digital. Sell detain token taker is DTM token platform Binance Smart Chain TBD. It is the private sale is 15/6, and the prices last is 1/10/2021 and 1/11/2021. Presale stage 2 is last in this date. We will show the token allocation. Team 10%, reward 10%, and development of 20%, marketing 10%, and the sale 50%. That is a very good project and good token allocation. Digital project is very promising from investor to make a lot of money. This project will be successful in the future, and many will support this project and create a mass adoption in cryptocurrency. This is the one of the best project with a professional and reliable team. I think this project will be success in future. Transaction fee 3%, and digital roadmap. We will show there the digital roadmap 2021-2023. A great project with a very cool idea. There are the project I always suggest to friends and acquaintances because I believe in their success. This project is presented by competent team. This is a good potential for implementation of the objectives. This is the roadmap of this project. we will scroll down. The people behind is there: Rachel Roll, Peter Bata, Ikon Tufan, and Ellen George Luca. It is a very good members of this community, and the other is a very good senior members of this community. Scroll down to we will show the press, releases: Bitcoin talk, financial and cryptos and coinums and cryptotate. This is a very very high investor and high supporter of the this project. To I advise to everyone, please join this project, and it will get a successful soon, and everyone a big benefits. We will show there the contact digital name, email, and phone, and comment in there and send message to easily to your message is seen in this community members. Social contact, everyone contact in this community easily in this social media: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitters, and etc. And Telegram groups are also available. So we'll click there to easily contact in this community. So I advise last time to everyone, join this great project, digital decentralized teller. It is a very very good project. Press and in few days, so everyone join in this project. Thank you.